Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start with a OneDrive file already in the cloud. Make sure it's the account you'll sign into from Power BI. Open Power BI Desktop and select Get Data. Choose the OneDrive connector if available. Otherwise, use Web with the OneDrive file URL. Sign in with the same Microsoft account and grant permissions so Power BI can access and refresh the file. Doing this now prevents permission headaches later and keeps your dataset linked for automatic updates. Once connected, pick the specific file and table or sheet you need. Power BI will show a preview so you can validate rows and columns. Use Power Query to transform data, rename fields, set data types, remove unwanted rows, and combine tables if needed, because clean structure improves model performance and visuals. Make a decision between import versus direct query based on size and latency. After adjustments, apply and close the query. You finish by publishing the report to Power BI service and selecting the correct workspace. Once uploaded, go to the dataset settings and configure refresh. Enable scheduled refresh or use the OneDrive sync option for frequent updates. Make sure credentials are saved and entry points match the OneDrive path so automatic updates work. If a refresh fails, first verify your sign-in, file location, and sharing. Then check for gateway issues if any data comes from on-premises sources. This single check resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.